The crypto market is growing each day. Many people are now focused solely on this market indefinitely. There are many ways in which one can grow when it comes to crypto trading, and the opportunities are almost endless. But can XRP rise 10x its price this year? According to the latest long-term Ripple price forecast, XRP will reach 75 cents by the end of 2023 and $1.20 by the end of 2025. Ripple will then rise in value to $2.45 in 2028 and $3.81 in 2030. But how realistic are these beliefs? If you've ever wondered, is Ripple a good investment, or can XRP be worth more than Bitcoin? Stick with me till the end to find out more. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of May. XRP is a digital asset designed to facilitate low-cost payments and cross-border transactions. The Ripple protocol is used by institutional investors, banks, and payment companies around the world to process international transactions quickly and easily. Ripple's technology has been adopted by several large companies, including American Express and Santander, and its network is rapidly expanding. This makes Ripple a safe bet for long-term investment and could give investors returns of 10x or 1000x in 2023. RippleNet also has several unique features, such as XRapid, which allows for near-instant payments with very low fees. This is an attractive feature for investors who are looking to make quick and painless transactions with minimal costs. Therefore, XRP is a great long-term investment with the potential for a 10x 1000x profit multiplier in 2023. With its strong network and growing user base, it could become the go-to platform for international payments. In the 21st century, we have witnessed a wide variety of physical assets being transformed into digital assets. More recently, the cryptocurrency market has expanded tremendously, with many coins surpassing previous expectations. Bitcoin, for instance, has continuously pushed itself to new levels in terms of value and fame. Other popular coins include XRP and Ethereum. Crypto traders have familiarized themselves with this emerging market, and now everyone wants to invest. Ripple, in particular, is predicted to grow in value. It is estimated that XRP could reach the value of $5 in 2023, according to some experts and market analysts. XRP is a little different from most cryptocurrencies. It runs on RippleNet, a decentralized network of financial institutions that use Ripple's blockchain and API technology to clear and settle transactions. XRP is RippleNet's native currency, and it also facilitates payments on Ripple's decentralized public blockchain, which is called XRP Ledger. XRP is a centralized cryptocurrency that uses a federated consensus protocol to validate transactions. That makes RippleNet and XRP Ledger faster at processing transactions than proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Ripple calls XRP utility for the new global economy on its website and was designed to be fast, sustainable, and, according to the site, the most practical cryptocurrency for applications across the financial services space. Ripple's use of tokenization will be of major benefit to its network and native token. Tokenization will be in demand for its ability to track asset ownership using blockchain technology. $1 trillion is the value tokenization it is expected to hit in 2024. That value is expected to surge to $10 trillion by 2028. Tokenization still has some barriers to demolish. Adoption is slow, but demand across big financial top dogs is increasing. Ripple's XRP-led, XRPL, was the first blockchain to aid tokenization for a large number of assets. These assets include stablecoins, NFT tokens, and other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The USD, euros, gold, and even stocks can be tokenized, thanks to XRPL. Although it is happening at a slower pace, XRPL is noting some big achievements on the blockchain network. In a report recently published by Ripple, it was noted that on-chain activity on the XRPL platform was buoyant. The amount of transactions on the platform have skyrocketed this year. The ledger now records over a whopping 3 million to 106 million transactions. NFT transactions are also experiencing the same levels of growth. In the last quarter, new wallet uses totaling 228,000 were ushered into the ledger. Ripple also reported that Ripple has so far made a $8.4 billion purchase since the SEC lawsuit began. XRPL surely holds the keys to a massive price hike for XRP should it succeed in the crypto market. XRP has been in the spotlight for some time now, mostly on the tussle in the courts. The Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States has brought the alternative banking settlement system to the courts. Alleged to be unregistered securities, the trial is the most watched story in the crypto sphere as its results can have an industry-wide impact. Even in this cautious situation, XRP is still a giant, ranked in the top 10 cryptos and holding a massive $20 billion market cap. If the court verdict comes in favor of XRP, experts are predicting the price to rise 10x higher. Furthermore, the coin's first bull run occurred in December 2017, when the Ripple price soared by over 1,200% in a matter of weeks. This resulted in an all-time high of $3.84, which still stands to this date. Price immediately retreated from these lofty heights and trundled along until November 2020, with few notable increases occurring during this period. Looking at the XRP price chart, the coin begins picking up steam in late 2020, with a 184% increase followed closely by a 795% surge. Notably, XRP could not sustain this bullish momentum as the crypto markets entered into bearish territory throughout 2022. While XRP managed to gain some momentum during the start of 2023, the token has traded sideways in the past few months. Here's a quick overview of the significant events that have occurred during XRP's lifespan. Began development in 2011 by programmer Jed McCaleb and was officially launched in 2012. Attracted huge attention from banks and other financial intermediaries, resulting in a massive surge in 2017. Hit an all-time high of $3.84 in January 2018, although immediately retreated from these heights. Experienced flat sentiment until late 2020, when volatility ramped up again. Has struggled to maintain upwards momentum since last year, with highs followed immediately by lows. Currently, XRP is trading at 47 cents per token, so is it worth buying XRP? Effective long-term investments within the cryptocurrency market tend to come in the form of cryptocurrencies with valuable real-world utility. XRP certainly has this, as the Ripple network offers a viable and more attractive alternative to current payment systems. Given that most banks in the developed world still use the SWIFT network, there's undoubtedly a gap in the market that XRP could fill. Firstly, the average speed of a cross-border transaction using RippleNet is only 5 seconds. Contrastingly, the average speed of a SWIFT transfer is 30 minutes, although they can sometimes take up to 24 hours. Naturally, a move to the Ripple network would suit most parties, given the fast-moving nature of today's economies. Ripple also appears superior in terms of fees, as each transaction costs only 0.00001 XRP. This equates to a fraction of a cent, with the cost being so low that it would still be negligible, even if the Ripple XRP price showcased a 10x in value. Again, this is much cheaper than using the SWIFT network, which can charge upwards of 3% in exchange fees when making international payments. XRP's role in this payment system is as a bridge currency, making it cheaper to conduct FX transactions. If a bank wishes to convert USD to Euro, it can first purchase XRP using dollars and then use the XRP to buy Euro, thereby avoiding exchange fees. Combine this with RippleNet's fast processing times, and it's clear to see why this cryptocurrency is viewed so highly. If Ripple can move past the lawsuit and begin expanding once more, we'll likely see many financial institutions start using the Ripple network. Now to our big question of the day: can XRP rise 10x its price in 2023? Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. In a bear stock market, investors' sentiments might change, and the crypto market is no different. Investors have less to lose, and dollars can go farther in every crypto investment than they did when the market was at its peak. That makes it less risky to toss a few $100s at a coin they like or a company they believe in, but there is still a risk of loss if the chosen investment doesn't increase in value. XRP has gained the trust of both financial institutions and investors, which could make it a more reliable, stable investment than some other altcoins. Additionally, XRP has a finite number of coins, unlike some other cryptocurrencies, where tokens are constantly being created and mined. Ripple distributes all the XRP tokens on a timed, predetermined schedule. That said, the cap is a staggering 100 billion, and only half are currently in circulation. XRP's growth potential, capabilities as a cross-platform payment method, and low entry point could make it enticing for investors looking to shop the bear market sales, so to speak. Comparing Bitcoin to XRP, Fool.ca reported, Ripple might be a slightly better buy than Bitcoin. In a nutshell, with the SEC off Ripple's back, XRP could see a massive boost in investors from all walks of life. Overall, if this happens, we would expect more demand for XRP from institutional investors. Experts agree that XRP reaching $5 looks pretty likely. In the short term, crypto experts estimate the XRP currency to keep increasing, with a potential high of $5 in 2023. PrimeXBT predicts XRP to hit that level and reach a possible high of $7 by the very end of 2023. If you missed out on the gargantuan gains that some people made in 2021 and 2022, then make sure you don't miss out in 2023. XRP is one of the most exciting projects in the crypto space right now and could very easily 10x your portfolio over the coming year. Anyway, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own investigation. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.